everyone, very good morning and welcome to the channel. It's almost 6 o'clock. We decided to go for a ride at 5:30, but group rides. So this is one of my biggest group rides I have ever done. So the meeting point is very close to me. It's like 200 meters. So I'll go there and wait for them. Almost all of us are here. One Jeep 390, one Jeep 390, one Honda Highness, sorry, not Hornet, one Royal Enfield 350 and my GT H2. Not to forget the Monster Z900. So two guys are waiting at the location, which is I don't know. He has shared us in the WhatsApp, so we are going there. We are going towards the BDM layout. I know that we did a mistake taking the inside road of the city, but it's been so long, so we want to give left arm. Okay, we want to give it a try. Close to Kanakpura. This is nice road toll. We'll be taking this road, I think. That is a boring part. No one wants to see briefing and all. So I just explained how we ride, because there are 3 riders who newly came into my group, and these guys know how we ride, and we rode with them, me and Suraj especially, in couple of rides. So he's gonna be leading, I'll be tailing. Everyone, I have given the instructions. It's 68 kilometers from here, so let's have fun. And every ride I'm getting a surprise. Before this he had a new bike, and now this guy changed from CB300 to Ninja 300. So let's go. Roads are bad, I know that, because I've ridden multiple times in this road, but after 10 to 15 kilometers the roads get better. Right now the roads are better than the highway, and the place is so cool. Let's go to that first hotel, okay? The first one on the left side. Bro, after this you will not find any hotels. Yeah. Everyone is here, bro. I kept everyone in check.
Yeah. Even as you said, these very eager guys. This guy. They always on my tail. It's a boom. Bro.
You are forgetting him. I was keep on telling him in the intercom.
I actually forgot that he's with us. He's along with me. He was like, oh, hey, you can switch off your satellite. We both were
I told him almost like 100 times.
You have to disconnect this Azar.
No, he'll go inside, look the seat, and I'll disconnect it.
Let's go, right? Sometimes
how's it, bro? So my group is like chill group.
Like we are going very slow.
Yeah. stopped over for a breakfast, as you saw, and I took some nice 360 shots. I was worried about the camera because behind me no one was there to watch the camera, so I stayed behind everyone and I rode little slow, but I know I got a beautiful shots from the back, which you saw in the video. And we are almost like 20-25 kilometers away from the destination. The ride is superb and the roads got better and we have beautiful corners, and I think from here we are taking left. So we are close by and my fuel light is on. Stopped at Indian Oil petrol pump. I thought I still have fuel. After we left I saw the fuel light, so that's okay. While we go back, I'll fuel up. Oh, here on all gated community, man. 90 to 95 kilometers from Bangalore, so you can easily travel. We started around like 6:30 and now the time is 9:40. We took almost like 3 stops, 1 stop for breakfast, and we were clicking pictures and all. So you can have a very chill ride, but the problem is the roads are not proper. If you are up for that, you can aram se come to this place and have some fun. Let's go. So this is Mekadatu, right?
Yeah, make it
Yeah.
this is not make it bro.
Okay, this is Sangam.
Something bro.
Okay.
We don't.
Yeah, it was saying Sangam. Yeah. So this is Sangam River bank. But the location is superb and by God's grace we didn't get the rain and all. So we took the bike still here, took some amazing photos. Now he is struggling to get the bike out. And beautiful German Shepherd and a Husky. Wait. Keep the handle straight. Ring. ಇಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡು வேணாம் Let's go. So we spent almost like an hour here. The place is amazing. As you can see, the view is beautiful. That guy took the adventure onto the bank where you see an old person there. It was beautiful. I have some clips. It took some time to reach there, but he took it. And while he is coming back, it was very easy for him. So 2 guys already left from my gang. They had some personal work, so they had to go. Now we are also leaving from here, and this was one hell of a ride. We had beautiful corners, but the problem was they said do not use the camera, so I did not record anything. While I go, let's see. I'll try for some time, then I'll keep the camera inside. I'm actually exhausted, so that's why I'm struggling to breathe. Let's go, man. It was like one hell of a ride, and this is like one big moment we all achieved at once. Guys from Bangalore itself, The roads are epic, man. They ask you to park the bikes over here, and that is the entrance. You can take the bikes inside. They'll just say that you should not, but you can. It's not an issue. A lot of riders are here. So we are just done, and everybody is leaving. Golibori nature camp is 9 kilometers from here. So we are leaving to Bangalore because we are getting late. It's already almost 12 o'clock. I got dehydrated, so I asked Suraj to get me a water bottle. He's like my elder brother, so whatever I ask, he'll do. This was one hell of a ride. This road, you have like almost 9 to 10 kilometers, which is so beautiful. But man, one heck of a ride it is. And full of corners and everything. But you should be very careful because this is a single lane road. Other than that, everything is good. Kilometers one way, so counted as 200 kilometers on both the ways, but this is my one of the biggest rides with a group, and it is worth it, man. So we had so much fun over these corners, and these are some dangerous corners which you have to look after. So apart from that, nothing to worry. While you are entering into this forest, they'll ask you to fill up the details. So anyone can go and fill the details of his or her bike. So they'll keep a track on who went and who came back. So lovely, man. The tarmac is very grippy, but there is some sand on the road like this. You have to watch out for that. Apart from this, man, this is a heaven for bikers. But ride responsibly, guys. Ride responsibly. We should not do any atrocities in these kind of beautiful places and mess the name the bikers has. So rather than doing something stupid and suffering, be careful and have fun. Look at the view, man. Look at the view. This is the point of riding. This is the point of brotherhood. This is the point of group rides. Not only group rides, if you ride alone, this is one of the best medicine which God has given to us. And wow. So it's gonna take almost like 2 hours from this place to reach back to Bangalore if you ride continuously. We are thinking to have lunch somewhere. Let's see if everyone wants to have lunch. We will. But let's see. Whatever happens for a reason. This is actually the Muguru forest viewpoint. So if you come to this place, you can cover both the places, the Sangam as well as the Muguru forest viewpoint. Everybody said there's gonna be off-road, but nothing much. You can easily do it. Till here, I think. Yeah, we can go. Come on, bro. So the place is very nice, the view is very good. If you get food and all, you can sit around, eat and go, like a small picnic kind of a thing you can do. But the bikes will come till here, and there is no other way where you can go into the deep forest and explore. You can park your bikes over here and you can walk and explore, but I would not suggest, because this is like a remote area, so it's better to be safer than sorry. So we came till here, we stopped for some time to just take in the view, and we are leaving now. So if you put Muguru forest, you can explore Sangam as well as this viewpoint. Thank you. Off-roading. Every time I go off-road, the only thing comes into my mind is my belly pan, man. It's too costly, I don't want to scratch it. So I don't have charge in my mobile phone, so I gave it to them. They, thank God, luckily they had the power bank, so they are charging my phone for me. To carry a power bank. I had, but laziness, I didn't carry. Look at this view, man, look at this view. Rich guy bro. ಇಲ್ಲ ಡೀಸೆಲ್. That side there was no rain, but this side I think it just stopped. So if you can see the road, it's too wet for us, so that's why we are taking it easy and slow. Only thing is I have my rain pant and rain jacket, but it's okay, if it rains I'll wait. That's fine. வந்துச்சாங்க பின்னாடியில் வந்து ಓಕೆವಾ?
Yeah, he's fine. Okay, no, nothing happened, no, bro.
Nothing happened, no? ಇಲ್ಲ I got...
Did you hit your leg or something?
No. You hit my leg, but I am wearing boots. No, that's fine.
It's okay, no, it's safe.
Nothing happened. What happened?
He wasn't keeping the distance, no. He got the person, he was very close to you.
Okay. The thing is, the speed breaker, no, I cannot just...
You have to always keep a bit of distance.
Yeah.
Bro, keep some distance, bro, for safety. You're okay now?
You're okay now? Edo avlatana? Arama avanga onnu prachane illa. I I thought you hit me.
नहीं bro.
That's why I just came to see your bike.
I was behind him. I saw him. I saw you braked. Okay.
Ah.
I started braking early only for safety. This guy was a bit close to you.
Yeah, that's fine.
You saw the pothole and
Just the boots, so that's fine. Let's go. Yeah. As you guys saw, that's what happened. Nothing happened to anyone. He just touched my leg. So that's why every time I say safety gears or riding gears are must and should. So my suggestion is, whenever you are riding in a group, just keep some distance. I explained him in the morning, but he thought I'll go over the hump because he couldn't judge my speed, and I have to slow down and take the speed breakers very slowly because I have the belly pan. So all okay, everyone is fine and everyone is happy. Lessons, all are very, very important lessons in life, which life will try to teach you something. So just take that in and move on. Thanks to the job which I got now, I'm able to afford traveling. That was the biggest concern for me, because the previous job was very good in terms of work culture and every other thing, but the pay was not up to the mark where I will be able to take care of my family as well as spend towards my dream, which is this traveling and creating videos for you guys and exploring new places. So yeah, this job gave me a very beautiful opportunity where I get 2 days off in a week and good amount of money to invest into my dreams. So all good. I hope you guys had fun watching this video. I hope I have provided somewhat information and somewhat beautiful shots. If you like the video, just hit that like button and do subscribe to the channel. Hope you guys had a very good weekend, and I wish you guys to have a very, very beautiful week ahead. See you guys in the next video. This is Hemant with my Aishu and with my closest riding buddies. Signing off. Bye bye. Always learn from your life and never give up on your dreams. Definitely. I'll give you that. So everyone is going their separate ways. They left. I'm taking the straight road. I have to tackle with this traffic.
Yeah, I told my people I would make it out. What? Not the time just to go around. What do you think is safe and sound? What? Might as well just burn it down. It's always